Hey everyone, Keith Katz, Quality Service Center. The question is always asked, are cars lasting longer? Are Toyotas and Hondas better than Fords and Chevys? And that's going to be a debate everyone's always going to have, and I'm not here to debate that. But I am here to show you we have this 2011 Ford Explorer that is in for maintenance today. And let me just take you inside the car here and show you the odometer here. We can turn this around and you can see 208,182 miles. So, are cars lasting longer? They sure are. Routine maintenance is the key to keeping them going. This guy is in on a regular basis. Get the oil changed, get the other fluids serviced. You name it, it takes it. So, I don't know. Are Toyotas and Hondas better than Fords and Chevys? It's a debate. That'll always be a debate. Depends on who you are, what you like. But I'm here to tell you that you can have a Ford last just as long as your Honda or your Toyota. So, little maintenance goes a long way. Hey, it's Keith Katz, Quality Service Center. Not looking to debate, just letting you know. Your car can last a long time too with a little bit of routine maintenance. Hey, you guys have a great day. Talk to you later now.